Hello parents and students, this is Ms. Hammonds and this is a short video to show you how to register for Myhaiku. So we're going to start off by going to our class website, which is hammonds.weebly.com. You can actually see the website up at the top. So from here, you're going to go to the Class Haiku Websites tab. It's going to take you to two links. The first one is where the students can click in order to log in if they know their username and password. And then the first one is where they're going to click in order to create a new account. So we're going to go here first. Attached to the email I sent out to parents and below are all of the course codes that you will need to create a username and password. Parents, you can ask your student which block they have me and then access that code. Just for my demonstration, I'm going to use this code for my 2A block. So I'm going to highlight it and copy the code. Once you have the code, you need to click on the registration link and it's going to ask you for the invitation code provided for that class. Once you hit next after the code is created, if you are a student, then you need to click here. If you are a parent, then you will need to click here. And I'm going to log that one out. My apologies. I let a student use my computer and they saved it. Alright, so let's try this again. Alrighty, next. I'm going to click on student. And then if your child does not have a username and password, they need to click register to add or create a username and password for my class. If they do have a username and password for another teacher on the previous page, all they had to do was sign in. Alright, so we're going to have the student's name be Little Johnny. I talk about Little Johnny all the time, so the students will know who that is. We're going to give Little Johnny my last name. And I'm going to make up a dummy number. For my email address, students, if you are using your Fulton County email address, make sure that you use the fcstu.org. And missing the T. All right. You don't need to change the time zone; it's already provided. All right. Username should be the same as the beginning of your email address, your lunch number. And then your date of birth is what you're going to list for the password. Be sure that you check the box, both parents and students, in order to say you accept the terms and then create the account. So we're not going to save. So once you first enter into the website, any new announcements that I've posted will pop up for you. All you have to do is click OK. So in order to access what we've done in class, you'll need to go here to first semester. Most of these are active. We are in the process of creating usernames and passwords for these accounts that are listed. We just hadn't gotten to them at the moment. So click on first semester. Each week I list a new website based on the date for that Monday. So what we did today was the week of August 28th. And then all of the assignments that I provided are here. My students will be working on a project called the College Banner Project. Here's an example, and these are the instructions and template. Your child, I believe all of my classes except one, should have had access to the instructions already. But if not, then when I see them later this week, I will provide them with it and then give them an opportunity to begin working on it in class. Up here where it says calendar is where I will post due dates for upcoming quizzes, any assignments that we have. The students will have binder checks this Thursday and Friday. It was supposed to be yesterday and today, but because I got so many new students, we kind of just paused, made sure everybody had everything organized, and I allowed them to work on that in class and register for Myhaiku. If you need to get in contact with me via Myhaiku, you go to Messages, click on Inbox, and then Write. Once you click on that, to add a recipient, I'm always going to be first. If there's another student that you want to get in contact with, their link or their email for Myhaiku is also provided. Once you type your message, just hit the send button at the bottom and you're good to go. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If I can do anything to assist you, please let me know. Thanks.